Hello everyone, this is Shami from Rextheme. In this video, I will show you how you can set up label swatches to display your product variations in an attractive way. So basically, I'll be changing the basic drop-down option of WooCommerce into this for products with label variations. So let's get started. So first, you need to make sure that the drop-down to button swatch option is enabled in your controls menu of your plugin. Next, go to Products and select Attribute. So here, you'll find a list of variation attributes that you have already created in your store. So find the attribute for which you want to use label swatches. So hover on the attribute name and click on Edit. So here, let me choose the attribute called Size. So once you edit it, it will take you to the Edit Attribute page. And below, look for the type field and select an option called Label. Now click on to update. Now go back to the attribute page. And here you can see the type for this attribute is selected as label. So next on the right side of the attribute, you can see there is an option called Configure Terms. So click on it. So you can see all the variant terms for this attribute are listed here. So hover your mouse on the first attribute and edit it. So once you are on the edit page, below you will see you have a field called label. So this will be displayed for the variant terms. Let me fill up the field with size L. Now update and go back to the variant term page. You can see a swatch preview is here just beside the size L. So do the same for the rest of the variants. So for any variable product that has variation using this attribute, their variants will be displayed in the form of label swatch, just like this. So that's it for the video. So in the next video, I will show you how you can customize different swatch styles to display product variations. Until then, take care.